sure tualetire omugusio minto amo abantu aminto ntete ngokora inche buno mwana chama vice chairman ya ODM nkomeki tole sure twarosie kiama baba ngogenda areyu lakini tutayeteka kugenda atutigere na ntoko bokoga mo wancha boigo igo. We are determined to make sure the country moves forward despite all other difficulties. We'll make sure our counties, especially Kisii and Nyamira, we are at the forefront. Again, also we're equal to the task to make sure as a country we have leaders from here in Kisii, Amagusi land to be at the helm of leadership of this country. We had one of our own, Mheshimiwa Matiang'i. I know he'll come at the right time. We will be with him. We have other leaders who will join the race for 2027. And we are determined to make sure the leadership of this country, one day, one time, the leadership of Kisii, na botokora no enense. Kwani
Simba